Hi friends, this is your lesson 23 exit ticket. So we've got two different parts to this exit ticket today. We've got this part up here where you're going to be matching the left side to the right side, and then we have a question down here that you're going to have to figure out. So first thing that you need to do is I want you to look at each of these place value charts, and I want you to write the number that equals the place value chart right over here just next to the place value chart, okay? Remember, if you see more than 10 ones in this column right here, that's going to convert to another 10, just like we talked about during our practice, okay? So 2 10s and 12 ones. What number does that equal? I want you to write those numbers right here next to the place value chart. That's step number 1. Then you're going to match the place value charts over on the left that equal the same amount as the place value chart over here, okay? So you're going to just draw a line to the equal matches over here. Then down here for number 2, we've got a question for you. Listen carefully. Tamara says that 24 is the same as 110 and 14 ones. Willie says that 24 is the same as 2 10s and 14 ones. Draw quick tens to show if Tamara or Willie is correct, okay? So I want you to do quick tens and ones for Tamara's 110 and 14 ones, and then the same for Willie's 2 10s and 14 ones. Draw quick tens and ones down here. Which one is correct? Does Tamara's 110 and 14 ones equal 24, or does Willie's 2 10s and 14 ones equal 24? Circle the one that is correct. Okay, make sure if you see more than 10 ones, remember that converts into another 10 just like we practiced.